Here are 3 visa types that you need to know if you want to be a travel yoga teacher. So the first one is your most basic. It's your visa on arrival. This means that you can just show up in the country and that country will give you X amount of time, 30 days, 60, 90 days, 6 months, whatever it is, for you to just be a tourist and hang out. There's often an extension, sometimes 1 or 2 times, and then you need to leave the country and either come back or on a new tourist visa or go to a new country. The second type that I really like is there's these visas for young people to encourage cultural exchange and work exchange. You do have to pay for them. They vary based on how much they are by country, and you usually need to show that you have $2,000 to $3,000 in your bank account and that you have an onward ticket. Don't buy an actual ticket. You can use a service that buys you just proof of a ticket and expires in like 24 to 48 hours. And then you can go there with a work visa and be there for the year. So those are really cool. Check those out. Usually for young people under 30, sometimes 35. The last one is a business visa. If you set up a corporation, not a sole proprietor or sole trader or GmbH, if you set up a GmbH or incorporation or maybe a partnership, depends on the country, then you can go and do business in that country for usually a year, and countries are okay with that. As a yoga teacher, you can work, you can do your business, you can make money, and you can live there. All right, so these are 3 types of visas that yoga teachers should be aware of. As you build yourself up, you'll want to go through each of those different stages of visas, and hit me up if you have any questions in the comments below. I'd love to chat more about it. See you there.